Diversity and inclusiveness beyond gender is something especially important to me. I'm very inspired by the AEC-SMS workshop offered by the Diversity, Identity and Inclusiveness Working Group. At the Royal Danish Academy of Music, we decided to create a common ethical value set, supplemented by a code of conduct where we have more details about how to act when violation of the rules happens. We support the greatest level of transparency in all matters pertaining to students and employees, and are especially focused on situations and circumstances where unbalanced power is present. How? With joint discussions and questionnaires, we are aware that we need to understand the need for cultural changes. Power relations within the field of art schools creates habits and acceptance that must be changed. We want the past and the traditions to be replaced by a new behavior based on an ethical set of values representing a common understanding of how we act together and towards each other. For us, it is crucial that we support the individual's rights within the boundaries of the musical collective. We want to release the full potential of the student's individual talent, regardless of level and skills, personal relations, cultural backgrounds, and artistic preferences and approaches. This is what we believe sustainability is.